GTLB down 7.94%. This is Wednesday, the 4th of March 2026. So far, 6.77 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is usually around 5.34 million shares. Okay, let's see what's going on with the stock. Okay, the stock is trending after reporting Q4 beats on revenue and EPS, but delivered a weaker than expected financial year 27 guidance and has sparked this weakness we are looking at right now. The community of investors and traders is sharply divided, with some investors calling the dip an overreaction due to the strong buyback and AI platform potential, while others fear for that downside, given slowing growth and increased competition within the software sector. The board's authorization of a $400 million share buyback repurchase program has also sparked debate among investors regarding its potential to provide near-term support and reflect the management's confidence. Discussions are currently around the company's Duo Agent Platform as a significant future growth driver, with users highlighting its potential to integrate AI across the DevSecOps lifecycle for efficiency gains. Traders are divided on whether the significant post-earnings price decline, which is going on right now, represents an appealing buy the deep opportunity or signals a continued downward trend with fears of hitting new all-time lows. We'll see what's going on there with regard to the price. So you can read more in the description box below. So the stock is, yes, showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. It's correcting within a longer term bearish trend. We have the right order. Okay, so the fastest moving averages are leading the downtrend, and lower prices are expected to continue to print up till the 12th, Thursday the 12th. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce. It might attempt to bounce and might hold it up till the end of this month. Then after that, it might contract. Okay, so but before then, the 40-day moving average is expected to continue to decline and is expected to serve as a ceiling to any attempt to bounce between now and the 18th of March. It's not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average. Okay, so in terms of projections, let's see what we have. We have 24.68. It is it's a this downward projection here. That's it here. So this was initiated on the 3rd of February. Okay, on the 3rd of February, the stock was let's see where it was. It was where let's see where it was. 3rd of February, the stock was at 32.88, and that was when the algos noticed that this stock is going to plunge. The downtrend it was in right now, and then as well was going to remain sustained, and it has printed that. It touched. That's where it is right now. Before then, it also had one as well. You can see this one here, 28.98. So it was initiated on the. It was initiated on the 19th of February of December. Okay, even then, even then it had one in it then before it had one before that before this 28 this 28.84 it had one then. One was in effect then, so it wasn't really seeing anything positive in the stock. So but let's see how things go. Okay, in the interim, high prices are expected to continue to print. Sorry, in the interim, the algos are also anticipating that a bounce might kick in, momentum might begin to kick in from tomorrow, but not maybe not the price itself. So by the time the price itself begins to kick in, it may have momentum may have remained may have looked up. Yeah, it may have looked up. It may the rally is the bounce may be amid strong or improving momentum, encouraging momentum. So but there's no guarantee that this is what is going to happen at all. Okay. In terms of previous upper projections, we can rely on this one here. Let's see. We have here 29.95. It was last time was retweeted was on the 19th of February. Okay, so the probability of that printing is statistically higher than 50%. Yes, but what of 26.61, 26.75? Okay, less than 50% that it will print. Yeah. What of 27.86? Also less than 50% that it will print. Okay. So let's see now. We have this extrapolation today saying that momentum might, kick in from tomorrow the tomorrow the 5th of March. Let's see whether we have the other moving averages in unison, whether they are aligning with that extrapolation. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average. Yes, we have it as well. We have those two moving averages, the short and intermediate moving averages, indicating that the momentum might begin to kick in from tomorrow, the 5th, but there's no guarantee that that will be the case. We can't rely on that at all. Let's see what we have with the other moving averages, the 40 and the 200-day moving averages. Yes, that's also the case. I was suspecting that that is what I would see, because we have all the moving averages all aligning and pointing in the same direction. So there is unison there. For now, the stock it has a clear direction, and the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that they will also continue to point in the same direction, at least between now and the 13th of April. But you can't bank on that at all. There's a chance that a bounce might happen, but you also can't rely on that at all. Yeah, let's see now. Okay, let's see what we have on its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, unfortunately there are no extrapolations. Okay, so all we can do is just take the projections. We have 26.59, 30.20, 36.03. Okay, so just see what you make of GTLB, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.